Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer, and today I am going to describe to you how this flower pure oil from this flower Frangipani actually smells like. So this is the sample I got from AromaSublime.com. They are kind enough to send me this sample. So this is their sample bottle. Frangipani Pure from AromaSublime. So I mostly dislike most of the floral notes that are high pitched. I have you can see jasmine and rose. If they are very high pitched, if you directly sniff from them, I mostly get headaches. So this one was a very different story. So let's try to dip again another stick, disposable stick, inside it, and this time I am going to apply it in the front of my hand because I have used all of the back of my hand to test the oils from AromaSublime. So from the top of the bottle, it is kind of fruity, light floral, rounded, not anywhere spiky. It is very nice kind of aroma. It has now from the hand, now I have applied it, it has some airiness, it has some freshness in it. Very nicely done. This is I actually mixed some of this oil into one of my oud mix, where I have mixed oud and musk grains and other I was experimenting with. Really nice smell. So I would say that if you want to mix any floral into any oud oil or any other you are making, this one is a really nice way, because this is kind of light fruity and floral, which is very rounded. It doesn't has any edges, it doesn't feel very green. It's kind of creamy, orange, yellowish kind of floral. Really nice. So I would really love to mix it with sandalwood. I think if it is mixed with sandal, it would be a great option to use even as a perfume. So Frangipani. So this is how it actually smells. Light, airy, rounded, kind of light kind of fruitiness is there in this floral. So I would show the image of the flowers over here so you can get the idea of what I am talking about. It is a very it has been used in perfumery too. Frangipani, and I hope you would love this review about how this actually smells like. This oil I actually got from AromaSublime, and I would really use it. After this review, I am going to end this bottle and I would use it in my oud oil mix I am trying to prepare. So that is my review about Frangipani pure oil from AromaSublime. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe. I will keep on making more videos where I will show some of the more oils and perfume items I have purchased just to explore notes, different notes, because as I am a beginner. So whenever I try to see something online and I try to figure out how would this neroli would smell like, how would patchouli actually smells like. So there are a lot of perfumers, they say that, oh, I smell patchouli in there, I smell oud in there, but they never tell how actually patchouli smells. So this would be my new series where I will describe patchouli, sandalwood, all these different materials that has been used in perfumery and oils. Make sure whatever I have, I would try to explain it as simple as possible. So take care and see you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video, because I think a lot of people are not subscribers. We'll see you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.